Okay, this slide shows the table for the premium rates under motor tarif for motor policies issued in Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak. You can see that the difference, okay, rate depends on the engine capacity, depends on the types of policy, and depends on the location. Okay, so it said that for the comprehensive policy, the rate charged is for the first 1,000 ringgit of the sum insured. Okay, that's mean, okay, this rate for comprehensive policy here, okay, this is the rate for the first 1,000 ringgit of the sum insured. Okay, that's mean if you want to insure your car for 50,000 ringgit, okay, you must separate it into 1,000, the first 1,000, and the balance is 49,000 ringgit. And for this 1,000 ringgit, the rate is from the table. Let's say your car is 1.3, okay, 1,300 cc. So the rate for the first 1,000 is RM 273 ringgit 80 cent. Okay, and for the next 49,000, you must refer to this table, this formula. For Peninsular Malaysia, after the first 1,000, for the next 1,000 each, you must add 26 ringgit, while for Sabah Sarawak, you must add 20 ringgit 30 cents. So for, let's say you are staying in Peninsular Malaysia. So for this 49,000, you need to add 26 ringgit for each 1,000. So for 49,000, you have 49 1,000, right? You have 49 1,000. Okay, so you must add 49 times 26 ringgit. Okay, so to find the basic premium, you must plus these two value. Okay, so if you stay in Peninsula, in Sabah and Sarawak, you must multiply this with 20 ringgit 30 cent. Okay, and one more thing here, for the third party fire and theft policy, you can see that from the table, okay, it doesn't show any rate, right? Because the premium rate for the third party fire and theft policy is 75% of the comprehensive policy. That's mean if you want to calculate the third party fire and theft policy, the basic premium, you must calculate the comprehensive policy first. Okay, so we look at example. This is from textbook. Encik Ramli owns and uses a Proton Exora 1.6 in Peninsular Malaysia. The information of the car is as follows. So you see that the sum insured here is 60,000, 5 years age, 1,600 cc, and NCD. Okay, NCD is no claim discount, is 25%. Okay, if the car has NCD value, the NCD would be the discount. Okay, would be discount for the insurance. Okay, so that means if you have 25% NCD, you can get 25% discount from the basic premium. Okay, so how to calculate? Refer table for 1,600 cc. 1,600, we have only 1,400, right? But it said not exceeding, because 1,600 is exceed 1,400, so we cannot take the first row. We must take the second row rate. Okay, so for 1,600 for the comprehensive, okay, the price is 305 ringgit 50 cent for the first 1,000. So for 60,000 ringgit, okay, for the first 1,000 ringgit, the price is 305 ringgit 50 cent, while the balance, okay, 60,000 minus 1,000 is 59,000, right? Okay, so for the 59,000, you must add 26 ringgit for every 1,000. So the basic premium is equals to, okay, take the first rate to 305 ringgit 50 cent plus with, okay, 59,000, you have 59 1,000, right? So 59 times 26 ringgit. Okay, so equals to, okay, you calculate 305.5 plus 59 bracket 26. Okay, so the basic premium is 1,839 ringgit 50 cent. This is the basic premium. And then don't forget that Encik Ramli has NCD 25%, so he can get discount 25%. So gross premium, okay, for comprehensive is 1,839 ringgit 50 cent minus 25% of the basic premium is equals to, okay, times 25% is equals to 1,839 ringgit 50 cent minus 459 ringgit 88 cents, so equals to, okay, 1,300, it is 1,379 ringgit 62 cent. So for the basic premium for comprehensive policy, you refer the table. Okay, for the first 1,000 ringgit, okay, you refer table, and then for every 1,000 ringgit after that, you must add 26 ringgit. So this is the basic premium, and because he has NCD, so you must minus NCD. Okay, so the basic premium, the gross premium for comprehensive policy is 1,379 ringgit and 62 cent. Okay, and then the question also said calculate the third party fire and theft policy. So when you refer to the note here, it said that for the third party fire and theft policy, the premium rate is 75% of the comprehensive policy's basics premium. So the basics premium here just now is 1,839 ringgit 50 cent. So to calculate the third party fire and theft policy, you must calculate the basic premium for the comprehensive first. Okay, because we already calculated it here. So we just take the value 1,839 ringgit 50 cent. Okay, double check. Yes. Okay, from this we calculate 75%. Okay, 75%. So this is actually the basic premium for the third party fire and theft policy. Okay, so you kira lah 1,839 ringgit 50 cent times 75%. So equals to 1,379 ringgit 63 cent. Okay, okay. Okay, after that, don't forget you must minus the NCD. This is the basic premium, basic premium. So the gross premium is equals to 1,379 ringgit 63 cent minus 25% from the basics premium. Okay, so you calculate, okay, times 25 per 100 is equals to 1379.633 minus 344.91, so equals to 1379.63 minus, okay, RM 1,334 ringgit 72 cent. Okay, so this is how you calculate the third party fire and theft policy. Okay, so we already calculate comprehensive policy, and then we also calculate the third party fire and theft policy. Now for the third party policy, how to calculate? Okay, refer to the table. Okay, it already stated here for the third party policy for 1,600 cc, the price is 135 ringgit. So you just need to take the value for third party policy. The basics premium is berapa tadi? 135 ringgit. RM 135 ringgit. So for this case, you don't have to add 26 ringgit for the additional 1,000 ringgit, because this is third party policy, so you just take the value from the table. And don't forget to calculate the gross premium is equals to 135 ringgit minus 25% of the basics premium, so equals to, okay, so 25% times 135 is 33 ringgit. So 135 minus 33 ringgit 75 cents, so equals to 101 ringgit 25 cents. So the gross premium for third party policy is 101 ringgit 25 cents. So that's how you calculate the comprehensive policy here. Okay, calculate the third party fire and theft policy and also third party policy. Okay, hope it will help. Bye.